Whoa. 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 I can do that.
Right. Although, I don't know, I died like second level in Monsoon last time. Oh, okay!
Damage incoming. Yeah, what's up? Oh. It's absurd that that's how you play this character. Ooh, lordy.
Oh my god, this could be a glaive. I mean, I wouldn't worry about being in the teleport. Okay. Yeah.
Sometimes you just get wormed, you know? I'm trying to just get a little health real quick. That's alright. No, not alright. Oh, Lord, help me. Yeah. I hate them. See ya.
Yeah, love it. This is nice, dude.
I'm on like 1 health. Well, we've lost our time advantage, but if we get to 6, I'm just saying there's a chance.
Yeah, right.
RIP. R.I.P.
Oh man. I thought it'd like. There are two, and an elite bronze arm and an elite big daddy guy.
Okay. What do you want to do?
Well, I think it's probably the glacial bronze. You hate to see.
Hello there. All of these clips are from my live stream, twitch.tv/squiblive. I stream games like Risk of Rain through the week, as well as some live guitar shows. If you liked the video, please drop by to give me a follow, and if you didn't, we'll do it anyway, because who knows, I might get better at this. Thanks again, and happy gaming.
Not like this. No!